Did you order Uber?
Yeah, I did.
Hey, how's it going? Good. What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing a lot better now.
I actually had a question. So, I'm going to a hair appointment right now, and I was wondering if I could actually get the ride for free, possibly.
You want a free Uber ride?
Yeah, so my hair is really expensive. It's like $300, and I'm just trying to budget right now. So I was wondering if you could maybe do it for free.
I mean, how am I supposed to make money?
Well,
this is my job.
I get that, but maybe just like it's
and
like
$300. I mean, no offense, but I mean your hair.
Well, I have a lot of it, so.
Yeah, I mean, no hair's worth $300.
Well, I was just wondering.
And that's more money than I'll make in a whole day. So So what do you mean?
Well, maybe you could just pay it forward type of thing. Like, it's just this one time, I promise. Like, I swear. And it's really short. It's only like 5 minutes away.
Yeah, but I was gonna use this to pay my grocery bills because inflation is kind of crazy right now.
Yeah, it is crazy. That's why I need a free ride for my hair.
Well, what are you gonna do for me? I mean, you gotta offer something. How else are you gonna what do you?
Honestly, I can't.
Nothing?
No. I'm sorry, please. This is one time.
You're just a girl. You're used to getting everything for free.
Other Uber drivers do this for me.
Are you serious?
Yes.
And they just say yes?
Yeah.
Because they're probably old, lonely men, and they're probably, just okay with it, getting taken advantage of.
Okay, well, it's just this one time, please. It's only 5 minutes away.
I'm pretty sure it's not even allowed. Am I gonna get fired for this?
No, it's okay. Just, maybe you can pay for it.
You want me to pay for your Uber? But I'm the one. I'm supposed to be making money, and now I'm paying to work?
Just this one time, please.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
But you have to do something for me.
Okay, well, what do you want me to do?
I don't know. Think of something. Get creative.
Honestly.
Come on, you can think. Use that brain. Use those big brains of yours.
I can get you McDonald's. Let's stop by food.
You want to take me to McDonald's?
I have enough money for a cheeseburger, maybe.
Well, I'm vegan.
Okay, I can't think of anything.
You know what? It's fine. Don't worry about it. I'll take you for free.
Perfect.